audible to you?
हाँ बिल्कुल इधर completely audible.
Okay. Can you see me as well? I'm really sorry. The background is little compromised. Hi everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the session. Anime. Please introduce yourself for the audience.
Hey, hi. Basically, good evening, everyone. Myself, Anima Prakash. Currently I am serving as a mentor and software engineer at Cipher School. My current degree holds basically I am a uh, computer science grad from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology, an institution of national importance. I have keen interest in machine learning, data science, and I love to read about topics, newly defined technologies, and all. And plus, I'm a good problem solver too. Basically, I'm ICPC regionalist, and I did solve around a lot of problems during my college days. And my hobby includes watching anime, and that's it.
Okay, great. So, like, let's start the session. I guess students are already here. They are commenting as well, right? So you can start sharing your screen. 1 second.
Geetika, I can't able to see their comments and all.
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, ये
Uh,
reflect हो जाएंगे थोड़ी देर में ना?
okay, no worries, no worries.
Yeah.
My screen is visible.
Yes, yes, I can see your
Cool.
screen.
So let's start, guys. So we have a good session around. Basically, uh, agentic AI. Basically, it's very trendy topic in 2026. Lot of people were learning around this कि क्या होता है ये कैसे होता है ये. Basically, there is a boom. Let me take you through a story. There is a boom that comes around in 2022. Basically, I was in my college days, and it was like around December. All of my batchmates were using ChatGPT for doing their assignments. I was like, "क्या है ये? कैसे है ये?" There was no new. We don't know about anything. What is ChatGPT? What is this? What is LLMs? What are XYZ things? What is artificial intelligence? There is a boom coming in 2022. So let me take you through what is LLM, what is AI agents, and let's have a clear differentiation between them. And what is agentic AI? What is agentic AI? I'll take you through theory of these topics like LLM, agentic AI, what are the workflow of agentic AI, what are AI agents, and then in that session we build a agentic AI overflow. Basically, we build an automated bot using in a tool named n8n, and basically I'll guide you through a project also, because right now just move through what is LLM, AI agents, and agentic AI, and then we'll move uh, basically through a project also in the end. So after the end of the session, you have a cool project in your resume in which you can showcase to your recruiters and all, and then hope you have a good session ahead. So let me guide you through what is LLM, AI agents, and agentic AI. See, what is LLM? LLM, large language models. बेसिकली हम जो भी चैट जीपीटी, क्लॉड, जेमिनी, कुछ भी हम लोग अभी यूज़ करते हैं, वॉट एवर वी आर यूजिंग, इट्स कॉल्ड एल एल एम. वॉट एल एल एम डू सर? What LLM do? LLM just you give prompt to your chat GPT, Gemini on Cloud or any XYZ LLM, and that GPT and that Gemini will give you certain response, and that response is maybe in text format, maybe in image, and if you are using Sora, then it will give you video and audio also. Basically, Sora gives you audio. So what is LLM? LLM basically whatever you ask question to them, तुम कुछ भी पूछो उससे, the thing it gives you, it generates you certain solution, certain Keywords, what it generates text, it generates images, it generates video, it generates audio. This is a meaning of LLM. What LLM क्या करता है हमें? LLM सिर्फ छोटे वर्ड में हम कहें इन लेमन टर्म्स, ये सिर्फ हमें ज्ञान देता है. It just give ज्ञान. LLM does nothing but it does give ज्ञान. Now, what is agent? What is AI agents and what is agentic AI? Let me guide you through. Suppose you have to book a flight ticket. You have to book a flight ticket from Delhi to New York, and you ask ChatGPT, tell me the flight ticket. Tell me how I can book the flight, and GPT will list you that these are the flight tickets that you can book. GPTs will give you certain responses. Key, these are the flight tickets which you can book. But what AI agents will do? AI agents, what AI agents will do? AI agents will provide you basically your website address. कि हाँ Anima, you can book, you can just go through this website and you just go book through that. You just guide you through whole process, basically guide you through whole process. In short, what I'm trying to say, AI agents will, AI agents will, sorry, AI agents will plan, decide, and execute, execute your ticket booking. In that case of ticket booking, wala part. So it is more of a agent. Suppose you are calling a agent, it's just relate to a agent. You are calling to an agent of Make My Trip. Ki हाँ XYZ, I just want to book ticket from Delhi to Bombay, Delhi to Pune. I just want to book. Then AI, the agent will ask you for which dates you want, what are the things you want inside your flight. It's an economy type, it's a business class, or it's a premium business class, what you want. So AI will also ask you certain things. AI agents will also ask you certain things. What are the certain things? These certain things were asked by AI agents. So basically it works on human feedback. 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 Basically, in recent time when ChatGPT is new, I'll tell you about in my days in 2022 December. ChatGPT doesn't have any memory. ChatGPT doesn't have any memory. It forgets whatever it says. I mean, how can I say? Uh, Suppose you give one prompt that tell me the best songs in 2024. He'll list you some best songs. And again, it's a basic example. ChatGPT doesn't have memory. You said ChatGPT ki ha, my name is Anima Prakash, and in other prompt you can ask what is my name. So he is again asking you what is your name. So basically, ChatGPT doesn't have memory in recent days, but AI agents do have memory. They basically works on human feedback. If the AI agents will make mistake, they'll go for iterations and they will ask you for your feedback. So this is how AI agents will work. AI agents, what AI agents will do? AI agents will plan, will decide, and execute all the tasks whatever you assign to them. Okay, so this is a work of your AI agent. Now let's come to the agentic AI. What do we mean by agentic AI? Agentic AI क्या होता है सर? Basically, suppose when we have when we have many agents working there. Suppose you are going from New Delhi to New York. You call your agent one. Basically, that agent one will be from your Make My Trip. Okay, and the second agent one is your immigration agent. Basically, it's more of a visa and immigration agent. Third agent one is your traveling agent, basically whatever your government services agent. Let me erase this. Agent 3. This is agent 2, this is agent 1, this is agent 3. This is government services agent. So just see here, these all three agents will collaborate with each other. This all three agents will collaborate with each other, and they create, and they are able to solve a bigger problem, and they are provide you a better solution. Like, you don't have to do anything. So what do we mean by agentic AI? When we have different agents, when we have complex problems, like here we have a complex problem of we are going from New Delhi to New York. Have basically many steps. I mean, you have to book tickets first of all, make my trip, and then we have your immigration agent, which is your agent two. Agent two have to collaborate with agent one. Similarly, you have government services agent, where you have to verify your documents and etc., just to get a proper visa or whatever it is. So you have see different ages working on a different complex level. So a combination, you can say a combination of agents, when all agents collaborate with each other, they create a workflow kind of structure, and that workflow and that thing is called agentic AI. When we have multiple agents working together and collaborating together, and they solve a complex problem, this is how agentic AI will do. What is AI agent, sir? AI agent, we have one task, and that one task, suppose we have to book only tickets, and that one task is performed by AI agent. And the we when we have a group, when we have a bigger picture, it's like plan a trip to New York, plan a trip to Goa, plan a trip to all the things, where you have to put down, or we have to break down all the itineraries, and that all itineraries were solved by AI, different agents, and that combination of different agents will be known as agentic AI. Okay, so these are three basic terminologies, like in LLM. What I have defined LLM. What is LLM? Then I have defined AI agents, and I'll define then agentic AI. Let me tell you, please let me know if you have any doubts till now. I'll take your doubts and we'll move ahead to another specific topic. I can't able to see chat box. Okay, good evening, ma'am. Large language models. Okay, anyways, a quick answer. Thank you. Good evening, Shivam. Good evening, Tridev. Cool. Uh, good evening, cool. So, no, you're not late. Basically, sir, where we use this? Basically, let me tell you a basic example or a PEX. Sorry to if I pronunciated it wrong. Suppose you are working on a large shop in which you are taking orders on WhatsApp. People will give you orders on WhatsApp. So how can you do? You check all your messages of your customers manually? No. What you will do? You will just create a automated bot, where that automated bot give that response based on what user said it creates basically your manual attention. It basically leads you to less users of your manual attention. And good evening basically. Yeah, I can summarize all, Muhammad, but for let me tell और apex की पहली doubt. So basically, you can't use, it basically leads to less manual attention, and that automated messages and that automated taking of orders, that is done by AI agents. Basically, you are not talking to a customer, your AI agent will talk to a customer. So that AI agent will take all of the orders, all of the everything. वो सभी orders लेगा, वो सभी उसको serve करेगा. Basically, serving is done by waiter. Basically, the taking of order part and just reminding to the chef ki ha that someone XYZ customer taking the had given me order is done by AI agents. So basically, it is just think of a middleman, a person who's taking order between you and a shopkeeper. Basically, we are creating this automated bot later in the session. So wait for till that. Muhammad Aryan, basically, I have tell the differences between what do we mean by LLM, what do we mean by Agentic AI, what do we mean by agents. Basically, LLM is like whatever prompt you have given to the chat GPT, chat GPT generate responses. That is called Gen AI, generative AI. And what do we mean by uh, AI agents? AI agents, suppose if you want to book tickets from New Delhi to New York, so what we'll do? We just call the agent and agent will ask you certain things. So basically the role of an agent is a person there, but what we did, we exclude that person and we put AI inside the person, in place of a person, instead of a person, and that AI will book tickets for you. And that AI books tickets for you. How does it book? We'll let me know. We'll tell you basically how AI agent works. So that AI agent book tickets for you, will plan and execute all the bookings for you. So this is a work of AI agent. And suppose if you want to, you said your agent AI ki plan a trip to basically New York. So there are different levels when you are going to New York. Basically, first you have to book tickets. Second, you have to uh, just pass through the immigration parts, and other you have to give certain documents to government services. So all these things you'll have to deal with different agents, and that agents will be replaced by AI agents. So when you have different AI agents working together and collaborating together to solve a bigger problem, a bigger complex problem, that thing is called agentic AI. Okay. So this is summarized. I have summarized all. So let's move ahead. Let's move ahead, and we are learning local version online. Thank you. Cool. Let's move ahead. Okay, I'll project my screen. So basically, I'll tell you how AI agents works. This is my AI agent. AI agent need one brain. AI agent need one brain, and that brain is your LLM. That brain is. Let me tell you first in short. Basically, agentic AI is nothing but agentic AI is nothing but your calm plus action in layman terms. Okay, remember this thing. LLM is what? Sorry, it's Kyan. Sorry, I have written calm. It's Kyan. LLM is what? Your LLM is Kyan. That's it. And agentic AI is Gyan plus action. Cool. Let's move it. The AI agents need one LLM. LLM can be your GPT-5, LLM can be your Gemini, LLM can be your Claude, LLM can be your anything. It can be anything. Okay. The second one, it needs a memory. It needs a memory. Okay. Second one is it needs a memory. And the third one, it needs a tool. Basically, that tool can be your databases. Sorry, the tool can be your databases. The tool can be your API keys. The tool can be anything. It can be functions too. Cool. So that three thing your AI agents will require. Basically, AI agent is nothing but it is an agent. Agent needs a brain. So that brain wala part is done by the LLM. That brain wala part is done by the LLM. That brain wala part is done by the LLM. And that brain, I mean, suppose you are storing something. I mean, so you need a memory to remember what you have given previously. Suppose if I say, hi, my name is Anima. So you expect ki the LLM, the agent which you are talking to, is remember your name. So basically, then comes the memory wala part. Ki ha, memory remember things. Okay. And the third one is tool. How can we use tool, sir? What is tool? I'll tell you when we create a proper project on it, but abhi ke liye मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ what do we mean by tool basically, how can I say, whenever we ordered something whenever we ordered something, so we show the inventory, we show the menu. Then the customer ordered something. Then the ordered wala part is reflecting on the certain databases of a shop. So according to that databases, the chef or a management wala part fetches things, and they put their chefs ki हाँ, you have to prepare these items. So that thing, just fetching the databases, just fetching and applying things onto it, is done by the tool wala part. So, and basically, and tool also includes is it also includes like giving responses to you. If I said something, the tool will reply to something to you. So that is a work of tool. Basically, it becomes more clear when we are dealing and when we are creating projects. So basically, I'm telling you the thoda overview that how AI agent will work. AI agent basically need three things. First one is brain to work. Second one is memory, and the third one is tool. Do you have any? Basically, this is a working of AI agent. Let me change my pen. Working of AI agent. Do you guys have any doubts till now? Mm, do you guys have any doubts till now? We'll move ahead then. If you don't have any doubts, cool. So that's the working of AI agent, and We'll move ahead. Okay. Three there. We'll move ahead. Okay, Aryan. We'll move ahead. See, now let me guide you through what project I am working on and what project I am telling you. So the project which I created for this session is an automated order taking bot. Just listen. Automated order. I'll explain. Order taking bot that can interact with users, that can interact with users, understand their orders using AI, and will make decisions onto customers request. Cool. Basically, the thing which I have written is self explaining or self understanding. Basically, I have created uh, for this session, I have created a automated order taking bot that can interact with users, understand their orders using AI, basically AI agents, and will make decisions onto customers' request. So suppose you are a shopkeeper or you are a restaurant manager, and you need to take and your users and your customers will give you orders. तुम्हें वो order provide कर रहा है, and that order how can, and you just want to reduce your manual load. तुम सबका मैसेज सबका टेक्स्ट नहीं पढ़ सकते हो. अगर तुम्हारे कंज्यूमर्स वेर अराउंड 1000 है जो तुम्हें मैसेजेस करते जा रहे हो, तो तुम आई डोंट थिंक सो नॉर्मल पर्सन कैन रीड 1000 मैसेजेस around in 60 minutes. So you don't want to lose your customers. So how can you do? You just created a automated order taking bot. Whenever the customer sends you, hi, I just want to order these, if certain thing is available in your inventory, the inventory shows how you can order. If the certain thing is not present in your inventory, it shows that you can order different thing, it is not present in your inventory. If the bot will ask you for the your chota things, I mean chota address details, basically your name basically, and your date, in which date you have ordered, and according to that your order will be placed. Okay, so these automated order taking bot I just want to create in this session. So we are just going to this bot create this bot in n8n automated tool platform. Basically, what is n8n? I just guide you through what is n8n. N8n is basically a automated tool platform where you don't need coding for that. You just need to drag and drop things, and you just need to put things, connect to them, and just your bot is ready. You don't have a, even if you have zero knowledge of coding, you just can create one of your AI bot by just using an n8n platform. So I'll take you through an n8n platform, and we'll we'll create project onto that. Basically, n8n is an automated tool platform. It is nothing but it's an automated tool platform. Okay, so we'll create our projects on that. So I'll share my screen onto that. Just you need to search for n8n here. Start for free. Basically, I have created my account. Just go through get started. Just write any emails which you have. If you guys studying at a lovely professional university, just use lovely professional university ka email. If you guys studying at Galgotia University, just use Galgotia University. Even if you are watching this video by working in certain organization, you can use your email just by putting there. Just submit there and just move ahead. Basically, I just created my account there, so I just need to log in. So I just go to instance. Cool. Basically, I'll tell you how the projects look like. uh, just check it out, and we'll create the whole interface. You don't need to worry. Just don't get worried by seeing all these things. What is AI agent? What is Google Gemini model? What is simple memory? What is inventory post order? What is this? Okay, just I'm giving a chat. Hi. See, the thing will tell welcome to, and this hi can be your WhatsApp message. This hi can be your WhatsApp message. You are just sending to a number of a restaurant manager, and after sending to hi, this will be your WhatsApp message that reflects, hi, welcome to engineers Rasoi. How can I help you today? Place an order, FAQ information, check order stuff. I'll tell basically I want to order, I need pizza. I need barbecue pizza. Just write BBQ pizza. Just enter. Great choice. To get started, can I have your name and the quantity? Basically, these are certain small information that your agent will need, that any restaurant needs. Okay. So my name is Ani. Myself, I'll write myself Animai Prakash, and quantity needed is 10. It is loading. See, sorry, BBQ pizza is out of stock. Available options are veg thali, chicken thali, mutton thali, fish curry meal, egg curry meal. Would you like to try one of these? So, see, I know that basically I have created this automated system. So, I know that in my inventory there is no barbecue pizza. So, it is showing that it is out of stock. So, basically, just I have to order a mutton thali. I want to have mutton thali. Your order mutton thali 10x is confirmed. It will be prepared and sent to you soon. Thank you, Anima Prakash. Basically, I want to change the quantity to 5. Sorry, I can't change directly once they are confirmed. See, so these are the things which you can, once the order is confirmed, you can't change things. Basically, you have to call customer. Basically, this is how Zomato also works. Once you ordered something and you want to cancel your whole, you get penalty. So this is how real world projects look like, and this is how we are going to make and we are going to create this. So let's move ahead and we'll create this project, and we'll study and I'll guide you through how we can do all these things, how we can just go through all these things. Okay. So where we are at get started. Just get started. You just need to write n8n. Just log in, and just log in from here. Go to instance. Just create new. I think this is empty. Yeah, this is empty. So your interface looks like this. What is this plus icon and what is this AI icon? Basically, this is your n8n AI. Basically, that has just give them prompt, and that will create uh, basically that will create automation bot or automation thing for you. But we just want to create by our own self. We just don't want to take the help of AI. So just this plus icon is a trigger. Just click this. See, you get option trigger manually. If you want to trigger manually, if you just want to manually trigger by pressing some button, ki haan, if I'm pressing this button, the bot will start and the bot will end. So where this will, and in that case, we'll use trigger manually on app event. There are certain apps which we want, which we want to connect. Suppose if you want to create a Telegram bot, if you want to create WhatsApp bot, if you want to create any XYZ messenger bot, then you have to use app event on schedule. Suppose if you are Instagram reeler, basically my mother is an Instagram reeler. So what she does, she has to post videos on her Instagram on daily basis. So on a schedule, basically you fix a schedule, and on that fixed schedule, that bot will run and that thing will call. On form submission, basically when you submit a Google form or anything else, that will automatically starts the bot. So in that case, we are texting with the manager. So we just need on chat message. So just click this, uh, just cancel this, and we'll get this. Okay. Now see this plus icons. What we need an AI agent. We need an AI agent. We basically creating a workflow. In that we need an AI agent. And what does AI agent do? AI agent will execute, will plan, and will decide all things for us. So after clicking this plus icon, we have an option of AI. Just click this. You have option of AI agent. Just click this, and this is it. You don't need to do anything right now. Just just cancel this and see, this is your AI agent. And let me zoom it for you. I'll tell you, AI agent needs a brain. AI agents को एक दिमाग की जरूरत होती है. So AI agent needs a brain, and that brain will be given by your chat model, basically LLM, a memory and a tool. Okay, I'll tell you what is our tool, what is our memory, what is our chat model. So just click on the chat model because we need a chat model here, basically a LLM here to perform, to work as a brain for our AI agent. Okay. So till now, you guys have any doubts? Just let me know. Cool. Okay. So we'll move ahead. We'll move ahead. If you guys have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section. I see, guys. If you didn't practice it very well, I think these things will impact your future because we have to reduce the human load. And every startups, every small tech startups are using basically bots because they want to reduce the human load. And if you are reducing the human load, we need, we want to, okay, okay, Nikhil, cool. Basically we just need to know how to use this bot, how to create this bot. Just don't be a job seeker, just be a job creator. When you create jobs, when you learn things out, basically when you create opportunities for others, then in this how can I say, in this recession era you'll survive it very well. And in this recession era you need to become a jack of all trades. You don't need to be a master of one thing. You just need to become a jack of all trades. Okay. So just learn how these AI agents will work, and just create yourself. Just create a AI agent for yourself. That I need that much DSA questions. I need that much resume. I need this type of things in my real life. So just sir, for app integration, do we need meta development? What app? Yeah, we need a meta app ki AI. Basically, see, her Harnoor. Basically, Harnoor, we need a meta app development. We need a business account for that. Basically, I don't know how we create business account in Facebook, but I know how we can create in WhatsApp. So we need a WhatsApp ka business account. We need a client authentication ID that WhatsApp will provide you uh, when you just connect your AI bot, which is this, to your WhatsApp. So, yeah, you need a meta development app because, as you all know, WhatsApp is just undertaken by Meta. Why do we need to create a chat model? What is the difference between LLM and an agent? Basically, Sasuke, how can I say? LLM is just you ask questions, and that question will be answered by LLM only. LLM doesn't care. LLM doesn't care what you gonna ask next. It answers based upon what you gonna ask. But how what agent will do? Agent will work as it will whatever you ask. Suppose I'll tell you an example. Suppose you ask ChatGPT ki book me a ticket. So ChatGPT will not book you a ticket from New Delhi to Pune or New Delhi to Ranchi or New Delhi to Kolkata to any place. But what agent will do? Agent will book you a ticket for this, and he will tell ki ha, these are the tickets which I have booked. So that's a common difference between LLM and an agent. And in that chat model, basically, I just want to reduce the human load. What human load? Basically, suppose you are working as a shopkeeper or as a restaurant manager. Do you have that much guts that you can read all the thousand messages, whatever coming to you? No. So, what you want, sir, is that the platform you are using to create, yeah, it is free. It is free. Does Chat GPT, Gemini, and etc. kind of AI? Yeah, it works. Now Chat GPT works on AI agent also. Basically, it works. Basically, now Chat GPT is also working. I'll tell you how. How do agent communicates? It internally connected. If we see, we can connect here AI. We can connect our AI agents. How can I tell you? See, if I want to create AI agents, one more. Uh, let's take you through AI. I just wanna create my AI agents one more. So see, that is how we gonna collaborate between AI agent one and AI agent two. Okay. So this is how AI agent will work. Will collaborate and work. Does ChatGPT? Yeah, it is working. And I'll tell you, Tech Gamer. Basically, when you now you're gonna ask ChatGPT, ki ha, tell me what is the score of that current IPL match happening today. So ChatGPT will tell you if you have analyzed things. The ChatGPT is giving you prompt like it is searching through web. It will now search through web, and while searching through web, it will search through ClickBuzz. It will search through ESPN network. So what it is searching? It is searching. It is fetching the APIs key, which is searching through API keys, and it is fetching the data from the API key, and from that API key, they'll tell you the data. Can the agent created in the application? Yeah, it can be created. It can be. Okay, it can be. So I think let's move ahead from now. Basically, we'll take a lot of doubts. Let's move ahead. We are where it is. Yes. Cool. So here is a chat model. Just click this and see. Here is Alibaba Claude chat model, Anthropic chat model. Just use free chat models because they are free. You don't need to pay for them. So basically, I am using Gemini here because it is free. And how can you use Gemini? Basically, just cancel this. I'm deleting and I'm telling you how we can create credential. If you have a premium, which is asking $1.78, if you have a premium, you don't need to connect through API key. But I don't have a premium. I'll tell you how can I set up. Use setup credential here, and just it is asking for the API key. So how can we get the API key for Gemini? Just add new tab and search for Gemini API key. Whatever be the API key we are getting, sorry, get API key from here. Cool. Uh, I just want to change my account basically. Just create new API key, create key. It takes some amount of time, and just paste this API key here. Just save it. See it connection tested successfully. Cool. And just no thanks. And from that model you can choose whatever model which you want to choose. I'm not doing anything. It is inbuilt asking. I'm using 3 flash preview, so basically I'm not changing this. This is it. And now let's test this. Just send hi there. Hi. Cool. Hello, how can I help you today? This is like you have connected your AI agent with the with one of the LLMs. Okay, now just say hello, myself Animai Prakash, and I am from Dhanbad, and I am from Dhanbad. Basically, Dhanbad is a small town. It's my hometown. I'm from Dhanbad. See, error in workflow. The server is receiving too much requests. Basically, my API key got failed. I don't know why. Let me change my API key. Again, I'm sending messages. Myself, and me, my white showing error in workflow. Problem in the okay. The model. I just need to change my API key. I don't know why it's not working. Just change account. Mm, network is running slow. Just creating new API key. Just delete this. Just add this. Just use Google Gemini chat model. Just delete this also. Set up credential again. Then no thanks. No thanks. Again, clear the chat. Just send hi. Myself. I think that will work now. See, myself Anima. And again, I am asking what is my name? What is my name? I don't know your name as an AI. I don't have access to your personal info. See, that's why we need a memory. That's why we need a memory. Now you get the essence why we need a memory. Cool. So we need to connect one memory also. So we don't have MongoDB chat memory, Postgres chat memory, Redis chat memory. We just need a simple memory, and we just here you can write. Basically, if you want to just remember last 5 messages, you just write 5. If you want to remember last 10 messages, you can write 10 here. Okay, cool. So let's write this. Now just write hi, myself, Animai, and I am from Dhanbad. Cool. See, nice to meet you, Anima. It's great to someone from the. What is my hometown? Now just ask what is my name. What is my name? See, your name is Anima. You just mentioned a moment ago. What is my hometown? What is my hometown? Your hometown is Anbad, which you mentioned earlier. See, so that is a benefit of having a memory. That is a benefit of having a memory. So, do you guys have any doubts till now? Whatever I have written or whatever I have doing here, do you guys have any doubts? Just let me know. Don't be hesitant. Just let me know. Okay. Your streaming is buffering, but n8n only for local systems. Yeah, DA simplified. I am using n8 for free only. I have not purchased. I have not given any money for that. Your streaming is buffering. Yeah, I think it's your network problem. Of course, I my network is using what could be next generation of the can and send. Yeah, yeah, it can send automatically message. You have to select uh, this thing. Okay, just select in place of AI agents. Just you need to select. How can I say AI? Wait, you just need to select this one. AI template. Sorry. Uh, just huh, mm, let's create a new workflow. I'll tell you. To just create a new workflow. Just trigger this. See, on a schedule, you can send automatic messages to your email, to your uh, WhatsApp, or anything. Basically, you have seen that Gemini summarizes all of the important mails if you are using Gmail right now. So you can see. So let's move to now tool wala part. Basically, as you guys know that now many small businesses in India uses Excel or uses spreadsheet or every uses spreadsheet or uses Excel things to store their data. So I have already told you that tools can be your databases. So now for your practice, I'll send you over the resources for the part this data which I have prepared to you, so you can basically do things on your own. Basically, I'll just brief you about this data. What you guys have to do, when I provide you this data, you just have to create a copy for this from this make a copy wala method, and just in this food delivery system we have inventory. What's in our inventory? Veg thali, chicken thali, mutton thali, fish curry, meat. These are the quantity, these are your stocks. And what's in orders? Basically orders will be see, basically these are the orders. Basically I have ordered mutton thali, pizza, which I have showed you earlier. So these things I have ordered, and these are my FAQs. What are FAQs? What is your opening hours? You can ask these questions also. Okay. So what you need to do, you just need to make a copy of this data. Basically, remove this all. Basically, I'm not removing this. Let me tell you basically how I'll make a copy in my drive for session. Make a copy. Just I've created copy, and I remove all the orders. Just remove this all the orders. And currently, I have zero orders in my bucket list. I have inventory, I have orders, I have FAQs, and you need to make sure that if you are sharing the data, you don't need to restrict yourself. You just need to give the access to viewer access or commenter access or editor access. But I prefer just give them a viewer access. You can show anyone with the link and viewer access. Okay, and just done. Okay, now you have to connect that Google Sheets wala part. So this is my AI workflow. You just need to click here and just search at Google Sheets, Google Sheet tool. Cool. I just want to create an authentic. Basically, let me delete this. I just tell you how you can set up these things. Just sign in with Google. See, these things are very, very, very much easy. Just use Prakash anime because I have used this data. Continue. Cool. So I just wanna give my credentials. I just wanna give a full delivery system, a copy of full delivery system there for session. See, I have chosen this, and basically I have to choose inventory from here. You don't need to do anything here. Just rename the name to get inventory, inventory, cool, and just cancel it from here. Now check it out and just now write what are the foods available currently. Basically, it is working through slow. See, so in my inventory, I have veg thali 10, chicken thali 15, mutton thali 12, 18. Please note that extra rice is currently out of stock. Suppose I ask, I want pizza. Do you have pizza? Just ask, do you have pizza? Do you have pizza? I'm sorry, but pizza is currently not on the menu. Based on the inventory, we have traditional meals like see. So these things I have done. I have basically you just if you are running a shop or anything, you just create your inventory, add your inventory, update your inventory. This is it. And similarly, I will add FAQ section also. Just add Google Sheets. Mm, just choose food delivery system session. Just use FAQs. Just add. You can also use execute step here also. Just add this and basically just ask what are the shop open timing. What the shop open timing? The shop opens from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. So this is your AI will do. This is your agentic AI will do. Now we'll have to post orders. Now, sorry, I got a call. I just need to. Now we just need to post orders. Basically, whatever orders you'll give as a customer, we just want to have a track of that, and based on that track, we just want to notify our chef that you have to prepare all these orders. So how can we do? So again, just add into this, just add Google Sheets. Mm, Now, see, you have to not getting the rows, you have to append in the row. Basically, suppose if I am ordering mutton thali, so Anima is ordering mutton thali, you have to append it where? You have to append it here in the orders wala section. Customer name, food item, order name, order date, status. You have to append it here. You don't need to append it anywhere. You just so that your chef can see this file and just start preparing order from here on. So you have to append it on the row. Okay. So I'm choosing it, append it in a row, append row. Basically choose the food delivery system and choose the orders wala part. See, customer name, just AI will do things. Food items, AI will do things. Quantity orders, AI will do things. Status, AI will do things. What is order date? Basically, I just want to know the order dates. So basically, there is thoda sa code wala part which it's a JavaScript code which I will provide you in for the session. So this is a code. I'm telling you what is this where it goes. Basically, I'll take all of your doubts. Don't worry. So this is a code. Just enter this. Basically what it is this, it's now format, it's basically the format of your date and time in which orders in which time you have just taken off the orders. Okay, so basically execute this step. Cool. Basically, where am I? Just remove this. Just edit this once. Just write post orders. Cool. This is not. This is FAQ section. Sorry, I have misspelled it. This is the abandoned row scheduling document. Just write post orders here. Post orders. Now just write hi. I want to order uh, veg thali. Let's say how many? I want six. ठीक है? Your order for six veg thali have been confirmed. Is there anything? No. Let check here. See, I don't know why it's not working. It has to work. Veg thali. Basically, it's the order date. But let me check here. See, I just want to show ki see anime veg thali ordered quantity and the status is got confirmed. You can check it here. Basically, let me change here also is one thing. Open. Let AI will do. Now I get this order mutton thali. Cool. Now see there. Huh. 2025 date, time and confirm. Basically, I just want to change the formatting here. I didn't able to, but you can change. So this is the uh, orders wala section, and this is you can change. This is you can do your things. Okay. So So this is how your automation system works. Now there's very one important part that comes around here is this is like your uh, bot, which is an automated bot. Suppose we want to show an opening message. Suppose if you write hi, just clear out the message and just write hi. Uh, I just want to show something that hi welcomes to Amma ki rasoi, welcomes to Hindu ki rasoi, whatever you want to show. So there are certain rules which you want to train your AI agents ki हाँ, whenever some customers write certain words like hi, whenever certain customers don't know Hindi, they just don't know English, they want to talk you in English, they want to talk you in Hindi, they just want to talk you on any of their regional languages. So basically, you can give certain rules to your AI agent कि हाँ these are the rules, these are the agreements of my how can I say of my restaurant. These are the rules or these are the regulations of my restaurant. You just want to train your AI agent based on to that on your rules. So what how you can do? So let me tell you. You just need to open this, click this, just add for options, system messages. Just write. I'll provide you. I just created this. Basically, this is a thing. Just copy paste here. I just provide all these things to you inside your chat box, or whenever we do have our resources all apart. I'll provide all these things to you. You don't need to worry about this, ki sir will provide or not. Just understand the concept and understand the whole thing. So what is this? Welcome. I just want to change it to Indu ki Rasoi. Whatever you can choose your name. When see, whenever user sends hi and hello, reply this. Welcome to uh, Indu ki Rasoi. And how can I help you? These are certain rules. Kindly keep tone friendly with the flow. Like, these are the rules which you train your AI agent. Ki, haan, these are the things. So basically, I have created basically. See, if you user wants to cancel order, then reply politely. Just I am saying to my AI agent, ki, haan, just reply to them politely. Okay, so execute the step. Cool, you have executed. And now just write hi. Now just write hi. See, welcome to Hindu Girasoi. How I can help you today? I want to order white sauce pasta. Error in workload. This again, my Gemini is limited, so you have certain limited request you can do to the API key. So again, I have to change my API key. I don't know how much I have to change. Ah, again, said hi. Hmm. Tell what's the inventory? What's inside inventory? Mm, the service is receiving too many requests. If that's the problem is arriving, just go here and just delete this thing because your API key have certain limitations. Just delete these things and again set up the credential. Sorry, there is nothing to repeat. Just set up the credential and just change your account. Um, Currently, let's use this API key. Just create an API key. Basically, you can use ChatGPT API key also, but I think that costs some amount of money to you because I didn't able to use. Cool, connection established. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Now just clear this and say hi. Hmm. Uh, Tell me the inventory. So that's the final workflow. I mean, hope you guys have understood this. I don't know there's a problem coming in service is receiving too many requests. It's the problem of it is not able to fetch things from API key. I'll tell you the whole final thing. Here, just remove. This is my final project. Works same as I have created to you. Hi. What is this showing? Google again. It's the problem inside the Gemini model. It's the API key issue. See, error fetching from API key. It's on the rate limit information. Read this rate limit. I have exceeded the daily quota for rate limit. So please try in itna times. So I need to wait for that much amount of second. Cool. So if you guys are doing this, I think you guys didn't get that much uh, rate limit error. So this is a final workflow of your bot wala part, in which you just have created an automated bot which takes order and which places order and all the stuffs. So it is a thing. I'll tell you, you can do as your homework. Basically, you just have to connect this bot to Telegram or a WhatsApp. How can you guys connect? Just I'll tell you the brief idea. I'm not guiding you through whole things. Action in app. Just sorry, let me cut this. Just go to action in app. Just search WhatsApp from here. Uh, WhatsApp. Just go to WhatsApp and just go to triggers. And after going on to triggers, you just want to trigger message on whenever someone message you. So just add this, and based on that, you just need to do certain settings, setup credentials में जाकर you just need your client ID and client script. Basically, you just need to make your Meta account business. I mean, you have to create your Meta account in which you have to show to Facebook how you are using it for business purpose, and you just need to have a business WhatsApp for this. So, and basically in Telegram, you just need to do buy their premiums out to do certain bots to create certain bots. So these are the homework. Just you have to analyze, or just you have to search ki how you can do these things inside your WhatsApp or inside your Telegram. You just need to create a WhatsApp bot or a Telegram bot. I just have created an AI bot on a platform called n8n. So this is the thing you have to create, and this is more of a homework to you guys. And this is it about the today's session. So tell me, I mean, if you have any doubts, I am open to take doubts. Send it in the chat box. I am currently reading your doubts. On cool. Um, should I remove off the screen? Yeah, you are. Hi, sir. Yeah, I am using. Sir, use a. Yeah, basically, I have tried to use, but it's asking me certain count of money. You're working with. Yeah, I'm working with Cipher schools. Can n8n self improve? Create. I have used n8n and I've used lang chains only. Basically, for me, lang chains were like more useful. Uh, this is it about. Hi, Anima Bhaiya. I'm from your school and very happy to see you signing. Thank you, Nishan. Can attains? No, it can't. It can't. Prachi, hi, Prachi. Uh, can you give roadmap to learn this? Basically, just create projects. For me, learning things is like just create projects and just learn things. Basically, these things you can, these things you can just do better. Can I create an employee? Yeah, you can create. You can create. Basically, whatever I am doing, I am just replacing a work of a person. Basically, I'm working full time. So if you guys have any doubts, just ask me out. I am waiting for your doubts, and we'll we'll take your doubt session till 9:20. Then I'll leave you guys. If you guys have any doubts, just ask me. No doubt. Thank. Okay. Just if you guys have any no doubts, sir, which software you are using to do? Basically, It's more of a. I also don't know. It's more of a stream yard. It's. I think you can scroll GPT and you can just do better searching over that. Okay, sir. Just you have one homework to do, and just you have one homework to do. To just use this bot and create this bot and just automate it into Telegram or whatever it is. Okay, so just automate it into WhatsApp or Telegram so that it's best for you to just you have just created your own things. Okay, so that's it. If you guys have any doubt, just ask. I'll wait and then we'll just end this. Okay, I'll wait for 2 more minutes. If you guys have any doubts, we'll end. All good, sir. No doubts. Thanks, Nikhil. Cool. I'll move off.